Want to see more cool videos on our channel? We do, so press this bell and enable to send notifications. After that, you will be notified about our new releases so that you won't miss any of our new videos.
Number 5. Generic zombies. Generic zombies look disoriented, mindless, and aggressive towards non-zombies. The way they become zombies isn't always clear, but they are there. Most of the zombies we see in movies are generic zombies. They attack survivors in groups, normally grunting or moaning. The generic zombie lacks any emotion, doesn't want to be your friend, and can't be killed unless you destroy the brain. There are two types of generic zombies, the walkers and the runners. Walkers attack in large hordes, can't swim, and kinda stumble around like a drunk person. These are the kind of zombies you see in the Walking Dead TV show. The runners are much more dangerous, and some have the ability to sprint when they detect a moving survivor. You can often disable a runner by injuring their legs. They'll still be alive, however, and they'll be given a new name, known as the ankle biters. You can only get infected by generic zombies if they bite you. Number 4. Chicken zombies. Although this might sound unbelievable, it apparently is the only form of Gruben zombies that actually exists. So the government has confirmed that chicken zombies do exist, and they are quite terrifying. These are chickens who are euthanized via carbon monoxide poisoning when they can no longer produce eggs. They are put into a large compost pit after the farmers have done their dirty work. Many chickens are left to decompose. Some might be dead, others might be nearly dead, but not quite. According to farmers, the hens appear to be completely lifeless for a long period of time, and then they inexplicably come back to life after dying to organ failure. This whole process might be so terrifying that you actually convert to being a vegetarian for your entire life. Chickens also seem to run around for a long period of time without their head as well. Chicken zombies aren't a threat to humans by any means, but this strange phenomenon has certainly made people ponder the possibility that life can be resurrected for at least a short period of time. Number 3. Resident Evil zombies. So what if not just humans are affected by the virus, but also plants and animals too? In the movie Resident Evil, the zombies were created accidentally by the T-virus, which was created by the Umbrella Corporation. Maybe viruses will be able to spread from humans to animals, like we've seen with different diseases such as mad cow disease or the bird flu. If this is the case, wild monkey zombies could attack you and turn you into a zombie. You have to be extremely careful about what you eat, what animals to pet. Pretty much all our food is either plants or animals. If crazy dogs were able to catch a Resident Evil type virus, you may not want to play fetch with them. Hopefully, you won't obtain the super mutant strength that we're worried about. Number 2. Pathogenic zombies. With so many different types of bacteria, viruses, and fungi out there, pathogenic zombies seem like one of the most realistic kinds you can watch out for. Many different governments have created biological weapons, which may end up in the wrong hands somehow. Who knows what exactly they've created or when a killer zombie virus might end up spreading. You will become a pathogenic zombie when you are infected by insects or walking near them. This could make things a little more difficult, but something like a gas mask and a biohazard suit would be a good start. This type of infection will most likely spread quite rapidly across heavily populated areas. The only way to be 100% sure that a zombie is dead would be to completely burn it until it's reduced to ashes. Number 1. Space zombies. There has been evidence that suggests that asteroids or meteorites could contain microbiological organisms, and in this case, you really have to consider the possibility of something like this falling to Earth and infecting humans. The US government has even been known to quarantine astronauts who visit the moon for this very reason. We also know without a shadow of a doubt that viruses and microorganisms can survive in harsh conditions long enough to get a ride from the meteorite and down to Earth. This US Strategic Command describes space zombies as zombie life forms originating from space or created by toxic contamination of the Earth's environment from extraterrestrial toxins or radiations. Who knows what kind of things might fall from space? But what if somehow it was able to start the zombie apocalypse? It might really sound like complete science fiction, but astronomers have published papers on the possibility. One day, if aliens decide to invade planet Earth, what if they send some type of bacteria from space to turn us all into mindless, controllable zombies, and then turn us all into slaves? Who knows what kind of viruses could exist on the alien planet? It might even be able to transform people into alien-like creatures. Thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed the video, please let me know by clicking the like button, share, write a comment, and don't forget to subscribe so that you can catch up with my next video.